We are through.
The response is good. So we have screened many patients and we identify few cases and we have guided the way forward for them for further investigations and management.
There are many cases which were detected of breast cancer, some cervical cancer and few prostate, some esophageal and some liver cancer as well. So that's very interesting, and that's something which is very important, which as a step we are doing is we are able to diagnose them early so that we are able to treat them early.
Ponde turuga are ekuru kwanza mware kuma miaka 20 kuitio ijo gategerwa cancer nikenda mantu jo jomba kuthro jakio witaithagwa kuma hau.